everyone, welcome to my Mathematics 8 class. And in this video, we will gonna learn on how to multiply rational algebraic expressions. Here are the steps in multiplying rational algebraic expressions. Step number 1, multiply numerators and denominators. Ang ibig sabihin nito, yung numerator at saka yung numerator ng isa ay i-multiply, and then yung denominator ng una at denominator din ng isa ay i-multiply. So basically, we are multiplying directly numerator by the numerator and denominator by denominator. Step number 2, factor the expression in the numerator and in the denominator. So after natin ma-multiply ang numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, we will factor the expression or lahat ng expression na meron sa numerator at sa denominator. After factoring, we are going to do the step number 3. We have to cancel all the common factors. So, nung makakancel na natin yung mga common factors, we are going to multiply the remaining factors. Let's have example number 1. In number 1, we have 3x over 4 multiplied by 8 over 9x. So, according to step number 1, we need to multiply the numerator of the first by the numerator of the second and multiply the denominator of the first and the denominator of the second. So by doing that, 3x times 8, that is equal to 24x. And 4 times 9x, that is equal to 36x. So na-multiply na natin, nagawa na natin yung step 1. Okay? Dako na tayo sa step number 2. So ang step number 2 ay ipa-factor daw natin ang numerator at saka ang denominator. So, paano natin gagawin yon? So, let us have the factor of 24. We are going to do the factor 3. So, the factor of 24 is 6 times 4. The factor of 6 is 2 times 3. And the factor of 4 is 2 times 2. So, we have here 2 times 3 times 2 times 2. So, tatlong 2 at isang 3. It is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Times, since yung x natin ay wala ng factor at siya na lang mag-isa, we are going to copy x. So, na-factor na natin yung 24x. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times x. Then over, we need to factor 36x. So, ang factor ng 36, we have 6 times 6. Then, we have 2 times 3. Then, we have 2 times 3. So, may dalawang 2 at dalawang 3. So, we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Then, yung x natin, i-multiply din natin. Okay. So, we are done with step number 2. We are going to do the step number 3, cancel all the common factors. So, dun sa numerator at sa denominator, parehas sila na may 2. So, we can cancel dalawang 2 sa taas at dalawang 2 sa baba. Doon sa taas, may isang 3. Dito, dalawang 3. So, tig-isa lang ang pwedeng makancel. So, we have 3. Then, since parehas din sila na may x, we can cancel yung ating x. And the answer will be, we are going to do the step number 4. We will multiply the remaining factors. So, anong remaining factors sa taas? We have just 2. And in the denominator, we have just 3. So, the answer is 2 over 3. And this is the product of 3x over 4 and 8 over 9x. Okay, so let's have example number 2. So in number 2, we have here 2x minus 3y over 10 multiplied by 6 over 2x minus 3y. So again, the first step is to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. But in this case, I would like to write it in factor form. So pag ni-write mo siya in a factor form, si 6 nandito, then multiplied by 2x minus 3y. Okay. Then over, yun nasa baba, ganun din. We have 10 multiplied by 2x minus 3y. Sir, bakit kailangan or bakit natin ginawa yung naka-factor form na? Kasi, ginawa natin yon para mas madali natin makita in factor form kung alin ang pwedeng i-factor at alin ang pwedeng makakancel natin. So in this case, ito hindi na natin i-factor kasi pangitan-pangita na parehas ang kanilang or kumbaga common factor na sila. So ang hahanapan na lang natin ng factor ay ang 6 at saka yung 10. So we have here the factor of 6, that is 2 times 3, then multiplied by 2x minus 3y. Over the factor of 10, we have 5 times 2. Or we can use parentheses para pare-parehas. No? 5 times 2, then we need to write 2x minus 3y. And in this case, nakikita natin na meron siyang common factor at pwede natin makancel yung 2x minus 3y at saka yung 2. So, anong remaining factor natin? We have in the numerator 3 and in the denominator we have 5. So, the answer here is 3 over 5. So, this is the product of 2x minus 3y over 10 and 6 over 2x minus 3y. Example number 3. A squared minus b squared over 2ab multiplied by a squared over a minus b. Again, the first step is to multiply. Pero again, dahil ito ay binomial, pwede natin i-multiply in a factor form or factored form. So in this case, the factored form is a squared multiplied by a squared minus b squared all over, we have here 2ab multiplied by a minus b. So after natin na multiply, we need to factor expressions in the numerator and in the denominator. So sa numerator, may factor ang a squared. Ang factor ng a squared ay a times a. Alright? And the factor of a squared minus b squared, this is in the form of difference of two squares. According sa difference of two squares, kapag meron kang x squared minus y squared, that is equal to x plus y multiplied by x minus y. So, in that pattern, we can use also that factoring method in a squared minus b squared. So that the factor is a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Okay? And in the denominator, the factor of 2ab is just 2 times a times b. And then, dahil itong a minus b ay wala ng factor, so we will just write a minus b. After this, after factoring, we are going to cancel all the common factors. So the common factors are a, tigisang a ang na-cancel, at tigisang a minus b. So, ibig sabihin, ang natitira na lamang natin sa numerator ay a multiplied by a plus b. So, ito ay nasa numerator. So, we have a multiplied by a plus b. And in the denominator, we have 2 times b. So, dahil ito ang pinaka-simplified answer, wala na siyang factor at wala na tayong pwedeng cancel, this is the product of a squared minus b squared over 2ab and a squared over a minus b. Now, let's proceed with dividing rational algebraic expressions. And here are the steps in dividing rational algebraic expressions. Step number 1, get the reciprocal of the divisor and change the operation into multiplication. The second step is to multiply numerators and denominators. Katulad ng multiplication na ginagawa natin. So, multiplying numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. The third step is to factor the expressions in the numerator and in the denominator. So, parang binabalikan lang natin yung process natin in multiplying rational algebraic expressions. Number 4, cancel all the common factors. And number 5, multiply the remaining factors. Okay, let's have example number 1. X squared plus 4x over x squared plus 2x minus 8 divided by 3 over x minus 2. The first step is to get the reciprocal of the divisor and change the operation into multiplication. So for us to easily understand the step number 1, we will use the KCF process. KCF. When we say K, you will keep this expression. C means change. Change the operation into multiplication, and F means flip. So in this case, we need to flip the numerator and denominator. The numerator will become the denominator and the denominator will become the numerator. So let's do the KCF process. Keep means we will just copy the expression or the dividend. We have x squared plus 4x over x squared plus 2x minus 8. Then change the operation into multiplication and flip the divisor. So we have 3 over x minus 2 magiging x minus 2 over 3. Okay, so now we will proceed with multiplying rational algebraic expression. So in multiplying rational algebraic expression, we need to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So mas madali kung if-factored form muna natin siya. So we have here x squared plus 4x, then multiplied by x minus 2, divided by, we have here x squared plus 2x minus 8, then times 3. So, ang gagawin natin, maghahanap tayo ng mga factors ng mga expressions sa numerator at sa denominator. So, yung x squared minus 4x, ma-factor natin siya using greatest common monomial factor. So, how to factor? X squared plus 4x. So, in this case, the greatest common monomial factor is x. So we will write it outside the parentheses. So the process of factoring using greatest common monomial factor is just dividing each term by the factor outside. So we have your x squared divided by x, we have x. And 4x divided by x, we have plus 4. So the factor of x squared plus 4x is x multiplied by x plus 4. So let's have the factor of it. So we have x multiplied by x plus 4. Then copy x minus 2. Then over the denominator, x squared plus 2x minus 8, ay pwede din natin ma-factor gamit naman ang ginagamit natin na hashtag method or Sudoku method. So we have here x squared plus 2x minus 8. So we will think of factor ng negative 8 na kapag pinag-add natin, we have positive 2. So the factor of negative 8 na kapag pinag-add natin ay magiging positive 2 ay positive 4 at negative 2. Okay? Because if we have the factor here of x times x and cross multiply, we have here negative 2x and we have here positive 4x. If we combine this, 4x minus 2x, that is positive 2x, and that is in the middle term. So therefore, the factor of x squared plus 2x minus 8 is x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 2. So we will plug in it in this expression. So ito ipapalitan natin ng kanyang factor, which is x plus 4 multiplied by x minus 2. Then copy 3, since 3 is a prime number and it has no other factor. So now we will cancel all the common factors. So in this case, we can cancel x plus 4 because common factor siya, and also yung x minus 2. So in this case, the remaining factor in the numerator is x, and the remaining factor in the denominator is 3. So the quotient of x squared plus 4x over x squared plus 2x minus 8 and 3 over x minus 2 is given by x over 3. Okay, let's have example number 2. Example number 2 is given by 7 over z plus 4 divided by z minus 3 over 6z minus 18. First step, keep, change, flip. Keep the dividend. We have here 7 over z plus 4. Change the operation into multiplication and then flip the divisor. So this will be 6z minus 18 divided by or over z minus 3. Okay? After this, we will do the process of multiplying rational algebraic expression. So, mas madali. Again, ito yung binomial. So, ang gagawin muna natin ay ipa-factored form muna natin. So, this will be 6z, or sorry, that is 7 times 6z minus 18 over z plus 4 multiplied by z minus 3. So the next step is to factor the expression in the numerator and in the denominator. So yung 6z minus 18 ay pwede natin gamitan ng greatest common monomial factor. So the greatest common monomial factor of 6 and 18 is 6. So we will factor it out. Then divide. 6z divided by 6, we have z. And then negative 18 divided by 6 is negative 3. So we have here 6 times z minus 3. So this will be 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by z minus 3. So sa denominator, wala na tayong pwedeng i-factor, so ikakopy lang natin siya. So z minus 4, z plus 4 rather, and then multiplied by z minus 3. Then cancel the common factor. Okay, and after that, we will multiply the remaining factors. 7 times 6 is 42. That is over z plus 4. And this is the quotient of 7 over z plus 4 and z minus 3 divided by or over 6z minus 18. Example number 3. The given is 2a plus 2b over a squared plus ab divided by 4 over 8. The first step is to use the process of KCF or keep, change, flip. Keep the dividend, we have 2a plus 2b divided by the divisor, we have a squared plus ab. Change the operation into multiplication and flip the divisor. So 4 over a will become a over 4. So now we are going to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. And mas maganda ulit, dahil ito ay binomial, pwede natin siyang i-factored form. So we have here 2a plus 2b multiplied by a all over, we have a squared plus ab multiplied by 4. So in this case, ang factorable ay 2a plus 2b. So paano natin yung factor ang 2a plus 2b? So ang common factor nila ay 2. So ipa-factor out natin siya. 2a divided by 2, we have a. And 2b divided by 2, we have positive b. So the factor of 2a plus 2b is equal to 2 multiplied by the quantity of a plus b. We have here 2 multiplied by the quantity of a plus b. Then multiplied by b, a. Okay? Divided by. So we have here a squared plus ab. So how to factor a squared plus ab? The common factor in this case is a. So we will factor out a. A squared divided by a, we have a. And ab divided by a, we have positive b. So the factor of this one, a squared plus ab, that is equal to a multiplied by the quantity of a plus b. That is a multiplied by the quantity of a plus b. And yung ating 4 ay pwede natin i-factor ulit. So anong factor ng 4? That is 2 times 2. Okay, so now we are going to cancel all the common factors. Common factor ang 2. Common factor si a plus b. At common factor si a. So ano natira sa numerator? Walang natira. So kapag wala nang natira sa numerator, ang ilalagay mo dyan ay 1. So the numerator is equal to 1 divided by, ang natira sa denominator ay, we have 2. So the quotient of 2a plus 2b over a squared plus ab and 4 over a is equal to 1 over 2 or 1/2. And that is all for my video lesson about multiplying and dividing rational algebraic expression. So for the next video, we are going to study on how to add or subtract rational algebraic expression. Thank you for watching and God bless.